Learn how to make affiliate marketing work for you. Taking a step into the technologically complex land of affiliate marketing for the very first time might feel a tad bit daunting. By keeping the helpful tips listed below in mind, you will soon find yourself marketing on par with some of the best affiliate marketers on the internet. You should put a lot of thought into the links you are considering linking out to. Placing affiliate links properly will take practice, but once you get it right, you will earn the profits. The best way to use affiliate marketing is to know your audience. You need to ask yourself why people are coming to your site, and what it is they want. Once you know that, you will be more successful because you will be able to give people what they are looking for. When you are focusing on your affiliate marketing efforts, you should be building backlinks to the videos that you write that discuss the products that you offer. This will help them get better ranking from the search engines and attract more people who are looking specifically for information about that product. Produce YouTube videos demonstrating some of your products in action. Seeing someone peel a potato in 20 seconds is much more impressive than just watching claims online. It also helps people to understand the proper use or installation of some products, and gives them confidence that they will perform as promised. If your video goes viral, you will get the bonus of a lot more traffic. So, after watching and applying the helpful tips listed above, you should feel a bit more at ease in the land of affiliate marketing. You have the tools and now it's time to use them. You should feel empowered and ready to begin your affiliate marketing journey to better promote your business and make larger profits. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.